Generative AI is changing the world of media and entertainment. Machine learning algorithms can now generate content, unleashing new creativity in images, videos, and music. Generative AI automates functions, offers new ideas, and enhances the creative process to expand storytelling possibilities. As this technology matures, it's sure to bring new opportunities. Speed up time-consuming tasks like color correction and grading to accelerate production timelines and allow artists to dedicate more time to their craft. Quickly refine elements such as musical scores, composition, and lighting to encourage experimentation and push the creative boundaries. Develop interactive story ideas, immersive experiences, and games to attract new viewers and provide existing audiences with fresh, engaging content. Test and create complex visuals quickly to explore new creative directions without tying up expensive and time-consuming resources. Create virtual influencers for social media that can interact with fans in real time, offering a new dimension in brand engagement and marketing. Ready to learn how generative AI can transform your media and entertainment projects? Find out how TrackIt can help you navigate this landscape and improve your content creation processes. Schedule a discovery meeting with TrackIt at trackit.io.